guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Refile for those who don't know me. Thank you for tuning in. So today what I'll basically be doing, I'll be doing a tutorial of how to um, base your hair, or rather how to moisturize your scalp. Yeah, so I'll be focusing most especially on your scalp. So what I like to do, the product that I like to use, it's Nelly Nature. This is the product that I like to do. It's actually a hair and scalp oil. It helps to stimulate growth. It softens hair and it moisturizes your scalp. It prevents dry and itchy scalp. So most especially with us natural hair, we have this dandruff tendency that grows whenever you don't have the correct product. So this is very good to prevent the dry and itchy scalp, and it is an anti-dandruff, so meaning it helps with the dandruff. You will not have dandruff whenever you use this product, and it repairs damaged hair. So yeah, if you find this this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and comment on the section down below, and I'll be looking, or rather reading each and everyone's comments. Okay, let's get into it.
So what I first like to do is to just section my hair into 4 parts by opening lines on my hair. I first start with a straight line in the middle, and then I go in with my afro comb because I find it more easier to open my hair with the afro comb. Then I continue to just open the lines on my side, at the side of my hair. Next up, I'll be going in with my nail nature. I'll just put some in my hand, as you can see what I'm doing, and then we'll dip my hand inside the product, if it makes sense, and then we'll apply the product on my scalp. I'll make sure that I'll rub, or rather massage, my scalp with this hair and scalp oil, just to make sure that my scalp actually has some product on it. Yeah, because I definitely want that hair growth. And then I go on and also put the products, or rather the oil, on the rest of my hair, so that it can be easy for me when I open my lines, because I like to open my lines with my hand. Actually, it's more easier like that. When I open the lines that I'm about to open, I open them with my hand, and then I just base, or rather massage my hairline as well, around my ears, and then I open the small sections as well. It's more easier to open it with my hand. Then I apply the Nail Nature product directly on my scalp and massage my scalp. You definitely want the product to sit in, or rather get inside, or lay on top of your scalp. I hope I'm making sense, guys.
Okay guys, so I just finished moisturizing, or rather basing my scalp. So what I do next, I just comb my hair, just comb it, then yeah, that's basically it. And then when it's night time, I normally do like mini twists. Yeah, I'll do a video on that, how to twist your hair. Yeah, natural hair to be specific. You know, us natural babies that we struggle a lot with natural hair. So yeah, that's basically all about the tutorial for today. If you found it helpful, please again like this tutorial and then comment down below. I will try by all means to reply each and every comment. And yeah, I'll be open to try on any scalp routine that you normally do. I'll be open to try and do it if you comment down below. Yeah, that's it. See you on my next channel. Bye.